DocuSign LLC Review, Usage Experience. Links to DocuSign are in the description if you want to check it out. DocuSign is a leading electronic signature solution designed for businesses and professionals who need secure, legally binding document signing. It offers seamless integration with platforms like Google Drive, Salesforce, and Microsoft 365, making it ideal for enterprises, freelancers, and legal professionals. The platform ensures compliance with global e-signature laws and provides advanced security features, including encryption and audit trails. Users can send, sign, and track documents from anywhere with mobile and desktop access. Templates save time by allowing frequent document reuse, while automated workflows streamline approval processes. Multi-factor authentication and role-based access enhance security, ensuring sensitive contracts remain protected. DocuSign also supports bulk sending, making it efficient for HR, real estate, and financial services. Pricing varies based on features, with options suitable for individuals and enterprises. While it's a powerful tool, it may be costly for small businesses with limited usage. Overall, DocuSign is a top-tier choice for secure, efficient, and legally compliant digital signatures. If you need a reliable e-signature solution, it's worth considering.